Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on a Canon Pixma MG5750. Now this can be done from the printer itself without using an attached PC or laptop. And whilst my machine is currently set to English, you'll hopefully be able to use the steps I'm taking here regardless of the language that's currently selected. So first of all, you're going to want to be on the home screen of the printer, which will have this copy, scan and cloud icons shown on the screen. If you're not here already, just press the home button to be returned there. Now, we're going to press up and then we need to choose setup. So we press the button directly underneath setup and it's again shown with a pair of pliers and a screwdriver. So press that button now. And then we need to go along once by pressing the right arrow to device settings, which is shown here with this little icon. Then we press OK to go in. And then language selection is the fifth option, just here, 2 from the bottom. So we're going to press down 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then OK to go into language selection. Now, English is very close to the top of the list. You can see here from the slider whereabouts you are in the list. You can just press up until you get to that point. If you have any doubt, press up a couple of times, you'll see there's only one more option above it. If you get to that point and it zips you to the bottom, you've gone too far. So English is second option down. Press OK and you're done. Now I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this machine that isn't covered in our other videos, please do let us know with a comment. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.